Hey hose bros, just working on a little segment called Show Us Your Hose. Check this out. This is another Hose Bros hose. It's on a metal reel right out in front of his front porch. Really handy. What he's talking about here though is a little problem. This is an aftermarket add-on, a retrofit. Phillips head looks really good. You just kind of plug that in, cut the bad tip off and get a new nozzle on there. What he's finding is the threads that are in here, they just spin. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to repair that. Now, this is my setup. Pardon the mess. Let's see how this hose works. Good flow. You'll see my aftermarket nozzle on there. Nice and tight with a C-clamp. Not the most attractive setup, but if you're looking for function, for fixing your broken nozzle, this is what you want. This is the best of the best. And remember guys, the Hose Bros knows.